Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit jelly. First, gather your ingredients: fresh fruit, sugar, pectin, and a touch of lemon juice. Make sure your jars and lids are sterilized and ready. Selecting ripe, flavorful fruit is key to delicious jelly. This simple process will yield wonderful homemade treats you can enjoy or share. Next, prepare your fruit. Wash it thoroughly, then crush or chop it to help release all those wonderful juices. Gently cook the fruit in a pot just until it softens. This step is crucial for extracting both flavor and the natural pectin needed for your jelly to set properly. Don't overcook it. We want fresh, vibrant flavors. Now it's time to cook your jelly. Combine the prepared fruit juice, sugar, and pectin in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring the mixture to a rolling boil, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Cook until it reaches the desired set point, which you can test with a cold spoon or by checking the temperature, usually around 220 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures a perfect consistency. Finally, carefully ladle the hot jelly into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace. Wipe the rims clean, then secure the lids. Process the jars in a boiling water bath for the recommended time to ensure a proper seal and safe storage. Once cooled, store your beautiful homemade fruit jelly in a cool, dark place, ready to enjoy for months.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.